Hi friend, today we will discuss the frog's advice. The story name is Frog Advice. Once fisherman set trap for fish in rivers. Once fisherman set traps for fish in rivers. ଥରେ fisherman ନଦୀରେ ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ଜାଲ ପକାଇଥିଲେ. One day in a certain river. ଦିନେ ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ନଦୀରେ many fish got caught in a trap. ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ମାଛ ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଜାଲରେ. A snake seeing the fish trap in the net. ଗୋଟେ ସାପ fish trap ହେଇଥିବାଟା ଜାଲରେ trap ହେଇଥିବାଟା ଦେଖି went into the trap himself. trap ଭିତରକୁ ସେ ନିଜେ ପଶିଗଲେ. With the aim of eating the fish. With the aim of eating the fish. ମାଛ ଖାଇବା ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟରେ. But he was in for a surprise as the fish got united and beat him everywhere. But ସେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲେ କାରଣ ଫିସ୍ ମାନେ ଏକତ୍ରିତ ହେଇଗଲେ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଜାଗାରେ. The snake was deeply wounded. ସାପଟି ପୁରା ଘାୟଲ ହେଇଗଲା. He immediately freed himself from the trap. ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ trap ରୁ ନିଜକୁ ମୁକ୍ତି ଛଡ଼େଇ ହେଇକରି accept ହେଇକରି ପଳେଇଲା. Now a frog had observed everything. Now a frog had observed everything. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବେଙ୍ଗଟିଏ ସବୁ କିଛି ଦେଖୁଥିଲା. The snake seeing the frog observing everything looked at him and asked, Did you see the behavior of the fish? Was it justified? The snake seeing ସାପଟି ଦେଖୁଥାଏ the frog observing everything look at him ତାର ଆଡ଼କୁ ଦେଖିକରି ସବୁ ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରୁଥାଏ ବେଙ୍ଗଟି. ଏଇ ଅବଜର୍ଭିଂ କରୁଥିବାଟା ସାପଟି ଦେଖି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲା, ଦେଖିଲ ତ ଫିଶର ବିହେଭିଅର, ଏହା କ'ଣ ନ୍ୟାୟ? The frog answered, Yes, it was justified. ହଁ, ଏହା justified ନ୍ୟାୟ ଅଟେ. If you eat the fish when they enter your domain. ଯଦି ତମେ ମାଛକୁ ଖାଅ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମର ଘରକୁ ପଶେ, will the fish not eat you if you enter theirs? ତମେ ଯଦି ତାର ମାଛର ଏରିଆକୁ ଯିବ ବୋଲେ ମାଛ ତମକୁ ଖାଇବେ ଆଉ. Yes, it was justified. If you eat the fish, then they also eat. Everyone is powerful in his own field. Everyone is powerful in his own field. The snake accepted the answer and quietly went away. The snake ତାର ଉତ୍ତରକୁ ଗ୍ରହଣ କଲା ଏବଂ ଶାନ୍ତ ଭାବରେ ପଳେଇଗଲା.